Welcome back to the channel where we help you buy smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning. On my left, we have the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop, affordable and quick to heat up. And on my right, we've got the Shark S7000 AMZ Steam and Scrub, fancier than a cat at a dog show, but is it worth the price tag? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is an affordable option priced at $49. Reviewers appreciate its budget-friendly nature, especially those looking for effective cleaning on a budget. On the flip side, the Shark S7000 AMZ is priced at $169. While some users find it worth the investment due to its advanced features, many wonder if it's necessary to spend that much for a mop. The BLACK+DECKER offers great value for those not wanting to break the bank. Next, let's see how quickly these bad boys heat up. The BLACK+DECKER is ready to roll in just 30 seconds, which users find incredibly convenient, especially when time is of the essence. In contrast, the Shark S7000 AMZ doesn't specify its heating time, but given its price, many assume it takes longer. Reviewers appreciate the quick heating of the BLACK+DECKER, making it a go-to for last-minute cleaning sessions. Now, let's talk versatility. The BLACK+DECKER can tackle sealed hardwood, tile, stone, and more, making it a versatile choice for various surfaces. However, some users wish for a longer cord for better reach. The Shark also cleans all sealed floors, but adds automatic scrubbing pads into the mix, which many reviewers love for their efficiency in scrubbing tough stains. Users find the Shark's versatility impressive, especially for homes with pets. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty: cleaning power. The BLACK+DECKER relies on steam alone, which users find effective, but sometimes struggles with tough stains. In contrast, the Shark boasts an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute, making it a favorite among reviewers with pets. They rave about how well it cleans up tough messes like drool and stains. If you want serious scrubbing power, the Shark might be the way to go. Now, let's chat about cord length. The BLACK+DECKER comes with a 12-foot cord, which many users find sufficient for cleaning without needing to switch outlets frequently. However, some reviewers still wish it were longer. The Shark doesn't specify its cord length, and many assume it might be shorter. Reviewers appreciate the BLACK+DECKER for allowing a more fluid cleaning experience without interruptions. Overall, reviewers of the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop are quite satisfied with its affordability and ease of use, although some mention issues like a short cord and durability. On the other hand, the Shark S7000 AMZ receives praise for its powerful cleaning capabilities and advanced features, but is often noted for its higher price tag. Both products cater to different needs and budgets, making them appealing to different types of users. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, quick-heating, versatile steam mop, go with the BLACK+DECKER. But if you want an automatic scrubbing experience and don't mind spending a little extra, the Shark S7000 AMZ might just be your new cleaning companion. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.